Hey guys! After we installed the Solitex Extasana, it's now time to prepare the window opening. First, we're going to cut the opening and then we're going to dress the opening with the TESCON EXTOSEAL. Then we can install the window. We start by locating the corners of the windows. Then we're going to cut in 45 degrees into the middle of the window and we're going to fold them in. So we locate the corners of the window and cut roughly 45 degrees into the window opening. Now we're going to fold the membrane into the window opening. Fix the membrane to the window opening using staples. Make sure the corners are fixed down tight. Then use a utility knife to cut the flaps flush with the frame. Now we are ready to prepare the window opening for the window install. Therefore, we're going to use the TESCON EXTOSEAL tape, which comes in 150 or 200 millimeters. This tape is a highly flexible butyl tape, specifically designed to protect the window seal from any water ingress. First, we're going to cut the EXTOSEAL tape to length. I'm going to fold the 150 millimeter back on both ends, so we can place it perfectly to the window opening. Start by peeling the wider side of the backing tape off on one corner. Use the PRESSFIX tool to make sure the tape fully adheres right into the corners and up the side of the sill. Continue to peel the backing tape off as you work your way across the sill to the other side. Again, be sure to use the PRESSFIX tool to make sure the tape is fully adhered and wrinkle-free. Then remove the narrow backing tape and apply it to the vertical side of the window opening. On the corners, pre-stretch the tape so that it lies flat onto the membrane. Use the PRESSFIX tool to firmly press and activate the adhesive, then apply a butterfly patch of TESCON EXTORA on the curved edge of the corner. After we prepared the window opening on the window sill, it's about time now to protect the top corners using TESCON EXTOSEAL. This time we're going to use a 300 millimeter strip, so we have a nice 150 millimeter overlap on each side. We are done and the window opening is prepared. A well-prepared window opening is critical because it's the first layer of defense against water leaks and one of the most important details in the Solitex Extasana system.